Here I have VIVO X80 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change photo resolution in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, of course, and basically like in this camera you have only two types of resolution. Like you have normal resolution when you're in this normal photo mode, or you can switch to the higher resolution here and take pictures in 50 megapixels ultra HD quality, I mean resolution. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.